When listing a home for sale, the topic of staging a home comes up a lot. You may have already seen the Drop Dead Gorgeous Homes on West Elm website or HGTV. Sellers, let's face it, professional staging is neither cheap nor convenient. Does your listing need that in order to sell? Before we go that far, I want to answer what exactly is staging and discuss how that affects the sale of your home. dannylau here from Lion Real Estate, empowering individuals and families with financial success through real estate. Staging, in essence, is preparing your home to launch on the market in the best possible light, adding decor, rearranging furniture, and dressing up the home to make it look stunning for marketing photos and walkthroughs. When staging, I highly recommend a staging professional. Staging, in my opinion, is not an easy business. It involves a lot of labor, storage cost for furniture, and U-Haul rental cost is a back-breaking hard work. A good stager who has a collection of beautiful furniture and who has a great artistic style is not easy to come by. Ask your local real estate experts for a recommendation. When you sell, if you live in your home, cleaning and decluttering are step one. Declutter your home. Box up any items you have laying on flat surfaces. Your countertop, kitchen island, desk, bar top, etc. All these items have to be removed. Even though clutter can work well for everyday living, it can accidentally send the wrong message to buyers. That's your home does not have enough space. Clean, clean, clean again and again until you cannot clean anymore. You want your home to look brand new, and it is not limited to only visual. You don't want the home to smell either. Candles or incense can sometimes help mask a smell. Let the home speak to your buyers. Your home may speak to you, and you may be proud to have a collection of Beanie Babies, but that does not necessarily speak to buyers. The goal of staging is for your home to speak for itself and to appeal to most potential buyers so that they can envision themselves living there. A well-done staging will allow buyers to visualize the space and layout of the home, and that's critical. I have personally witnessed many buyers react indifferently to homes without staging. Limit arts that excludes certain demographic. You want any art to accentuate the features of the home while not taking away the focus. Any decoration should be neutral and appeal to a broad market. Your self-portrait or any sensitive decorations should be kept to a minimum. For example, if you have a lot of hunting trophies mounted, you may accidentally exclude an animal lover who would otherwise pay top dollar for the home. Period staging can be a fun way to showcase a home if your home falls under a particular architectural period. This typically is much more specialized. With the right stager who has the right pieces, you can take a buyer back in time or tell a compelling story. Lastly, try not to take staging personally. Don't get mad at the stager if they suggest putting your beloved grand clock in storage. It is hard to bring objectivity in something so personal. But a fresh set of eyes from a skilled stager can often create a transformation. In my experience, sellers, more often than not, will reap the return on the investment of their staging cost. As a side note, if your listing is vacant, virtual staging is an option. It is a cheaper option that involves a talented Photoshop team. Of course, virtual staging helps showcase marketing photos, but does not help showcase an in-person walkthrough. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. Normally, I would say you can also set up a time with me to grab a cup of coffee so we can discuss how real estate can fit into your financial picture. Instead, I'm happy to offer a video call to maintain healthy social distancing. Of course, if you enjoy my video, like it, share it, and tell other people about it. This is Danny Lau. See you next time.